It is Saturday, February 23rd, and there's been a lot of progress. The new electricity has been added, but the meter's not on yet, so it's not connected just yet. Hola. Here's the main room. There's now a gas line, a drain, and hot and cold water taps for the washing machine. This here is in case we ever decide to do solar. It's hooked up to the other side of the wall, so that we can eventually add solar. I priced out the solar panels, and to install a complete system that would take care of all our needs, it's approximately $6,000. So, and it will run all our air conditioners and all our other electrical needs. And here's the electric box. As you can see, the air conditioner number 1 is there, and new doors are in, these big old doors. They're really pretty. The hardware hasn't been put on yet, but that is coming. There's air conditioner number 2. They're still wiring things up. This will be places for lights, and we still have our hammock hooks, and that'll be for outlets to turn off the lights, and there'll be outlets there for on either side of the bed for lamps and whatnot. And it's a little dark in here because the lights aren't working yet because it's not all hooked up, but there's the second air conditioner in bedroom number 2. Again, there's room for lights in the corners. There is the electrical outlets by the beds, and then the light switch to turn off the overhead light. So the beds will be right between the outlets, dead center. When Cassie gets here, we are picking out fan lights, but for right now we just have light bulbs. They had to move our refrigerator here, but actually I think that makes more sense because that's actually one of the lines that's hooked up right now. Many of the others are not hooked up yet. Here is air conditioner number 4. So this air conditioner and that one way down there are going to control this whole room. Oh, we also found, we were missing our Jesus for a while, but we found it. This is a cool light up Jesus. And and there is the other air conditioner for the office. You've seen the bathrooms plenty of times. Nothing's changed there. The outside actually looks really good. These guys did a little cleanup for me. Looks like they cut off a branch, and then back here they picked up most of the oranges and things. I'm guessing that's the pile. And we have some shade back here. They took away some of these dead palm branches, but it's great for shade. Looks like they trimmed up this orange tree a little bit too, and they completely clean the ground of most of these things. This is the rest of the garbage that they're going to come get and wheel out. And yeah, that is the update.